Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about Medtronic PLC, and as you can see, there is, I would say, no introduction required for this stock. And this is a humongous multi-bagger, and from the lows of 1984 to the highs of 2021, 34,000% worth of return. Along with the splits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and obviously, there are lots of dividends that the stock has distributed throughout the years. So, if you have invested in this stock in the last 30, 35 years, you are you have already become a billionaire, probably. So, congratulations to them, those who have already invested in this stock. But right now, we have to see the opportunities which are there or which are yet to be seen. So let's discuss about that. But prior to that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button and also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notifications. Now, if you look at this particular chart carefully, you will see different trends. When I am saying different trends, for example, from 1984, if I draw a line like this, you will see a very sharp price action. You will see indeed a very sharp price action, and that price action has actually given the most for the stock. So you can see something like this, right? This is this will happen, but the number of stocks which have seen these kind of moves are very few. So as you can see, from 1984 till 2015, 16 years, 16,000%. I mean 1,000% return uh, on an average every year. The stock, 10 times. So 1,000% returns on yearly basis. So this is how the stock has moved. And then what we have seen, the stock entered into a consolidation, right? So if you dissect the trends in a proper manner, you can understand the movement, and actually you can understand what and how the stock is moving. That's it. Okay, you need not to be um, a practitioner for that. Just observe things. So $63 will become a mark of resistance in 2001, and it becomes, or it continues to be as a resistance till 2014. So a 14 years of consolidation. So even though those who have sit with this stock throughout 30 years, though I also seen a period where the stock has done nothing, right? So there are phases when the stock just spent time. And then we have seen a breakout from 2014. Actually, the foundation stone started lays in 2009, and since then we have seen how the stock has been moving, and eventually we have seen a breakout. Right now, a trend has again shifted, and right now we are in this trend. What do we need to take a note of is what the current trend is doing. Right now we have $87, which is your immediate support, and we have 63.6, which is your stop loss, right? That's what we need to understand. Now, one more thing, which you also need to take a note of is the performance that we have seen in the past may not be as similar which is happening in the present. Here we have seen that the momentum or the pace at which stock was moving in the past is not going to be the same if you are looking at the current trend. So you need not to mix and match it up. I'm not saying that the trend can't accentuate, but the problem is it requires certain trigger to do that, catalyst, a very strong catalyst, right? Right now we are in a trend. As I told you, don't go below $87, and $63 is your stop loss. So the trend which we are looking at on the downside is this, and on the upside the range which we are tracking is in between 190 and 290 or $300, because we are expecting a move, but it's going to be a slow one. Also, there is one exception which we are not covering right now, is if the stock simply moves like this. Okay, it crosses this line. This situation we are not considering right now. If that happens, we need to reanalyze the trend. Do let me know if something happens in this trend. We will definitely look into it. So if there is an further acceleration in the momentum, we have to change our analysis accordingly. Meanwhile, this is a very strong chart. Slowly but surely, it has given you return. It has indeed given you return, a huge amount of return. Right now, it is also on the same path to give you returns, but do not expect things happen in a very fast moment. It will take its own time. So the thing is, over a period of time, it has done that, and it will probably doing the same thing in the upcoming years as well. So if you like this video, hit on the like button. This is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.